Here I have Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap here, go to the watermark section, and here you can add your own custom text. For example, you can add your tag, your name, some phrase, I don't know, let's just add something like this. And as you can see now, every photo I take will be marked with this specific watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.